house. So this is a 4-room BTO flat, and we got our keys back in 2020. Our renovation cost is estimated around $25,000. So the size of the house is 92 square meter. Now I will show you a tour of our bomb shelter, and I'm going to show you how we organize them. I don't know. Bomb shelter is very small, and we wanted to make sure that we utilize the space, so we decided to get all these storage boxes. In order for us to find our items really fast, we decided to label them. A few people actually asked like, where do we get this from? So I will put the link on the description below. Okay, this is from IKEA. This is a shoe cabinet. This is our Wi-Fi QR code, so whenever people come over, they don't have to ask for our Wi-Fi password. You can just scan and they are ready to access to our Wi-Fi. This storage came with the house. It wasn't really useful at first, but I found this spice organizer, and I decided to keep all the COVID related supplies like mask, sanitizer, ART kit, and then we store our daughter's shoe and also umbrellas in this area. So it's really convenient for us to access like everything COVID related or everything daughter related is over here. So this feature wall is done by my husband and my dad. So the cost to install this is estimated around $600 only. If you were to hire ID, I've already inquired, it might cost up to $3,000 and above. The curtains are also from Shopee. Actually, if you were to custom make your curtain, it will be way more expensive. So I decided to get from Shopee. So it's really up to you. If you have the budget, I recommend for you to just custom make them, because the quality will be higher and it's nicer. But if you are on a budget like me, just get from Shopee. So throughout our house, we installed these smart switches, and the switches are integrated with Google Home. Most of the items in our house can be activated by voice command. For the first 3 years of living in this house, we didn't actually get any dining table because we thought it would really use up the space. But then after getting it, we really love it. Okay, this dining table was purchased from Carousel and was only $300. So it's really worth it. Keep a lookout of any bargains or good deals. So the original price is around $1,000 plus. Welcome to our kitchen. Our kitchen is really small, so it's important for the area to be open concept. It's really important for you to be extremely organized and avoid collecting too many items. When there's too many items in the space, I feel like it will really overwhelm whoever who is living in the house. So it's really important for the space to be extremely organized. It's also easier for you to find your items in the space, and it just increases your efficiency to work. So this is our study room, but according to my husband, it's a gaming room. So in this space is where we do all our work and a lot of studying, and a lot of business ideas were actually created in this room. I'm actually a small business owner, and I design my own shawls, and these are the designs that I've curated so far. And most of the items are almost out of stock now. So if you're interested to check out my work, it's at theneedles.co. This is my daughter's room, and the space is really simple. I don't have any inbuilt carpentry in this room because this is the space that I want her to grow in, and once she's older, maybe we will do some inbuilts for her. So some people actually commented like, do you not give your child any toys because I don't see any toys in the house? So the answer is, we do have plenty of toys for her, but the toys are concealed. So whenever she's done playing, we have already trained her to keep all her toys on her own. And this is how we conceal the toys. So whenever she's done, she will automatically put it in this box on her own. It's really important to ensure that the space is not too overwhelming for children. We do toy rotation, which means that every few months she gets to choose the toys that she wants to play with. If you want to keep your space neat, I highly recommend toy rotation technique, because this technique actually increases their creativity skill. It will also make them less bored because every few months there's always so-called new toys for them to look forward to. This is where we keep all her books, And the reason for this is because we want her to be able to reach out to books really easily and independently. It's a sterilizer, so I highly recommend if you are a new parent for you to get this. So this is our room. It's really simple and minimal. This is a mirror cabinet, and this is where I keep all my makeup stuff in here. And at the same time, it acts as a full-length mirror. This is how the cabinet looks like inside. So this is where we keep all our daily essentials. So it's easy for us to get ready in the morning because all our items are in one area. If you have a lot of long dresses, I recommend for you to get storage like this, so that the bottom of your dress will not be like wrinkly and such. In this area is where I keep the smaller items like inner scarf, so it's easy for me to find. So in 2018, that is when we already had an idea to settle down. During that period of time, we started financial planning, and also we started surveying how much it would cost for us to renovate and also to furnish the house. Based on the quotations that we were provided, we realized that we would need around $35,000 to $40,000 for us to furnish the house completely. We knew that we had a time frame of 2 years, so every year our goal is to save around $10,000 each per person. During those 2 years, we save up $800 to $1,000 per month because we knew that we don't want to get into any debt. So we were really disciplined and really determined to save up that amount. We ensure that the things that we purchase every month are only necessities and are really items that really can contribute value to our house. I personally recommend going to IT shows because sometimes you can get discounts and then some freebies that they might give you. Get your appliances before you start your renovation. The reason being is because the ID company will need to know the dimension of the items that you want to install in, for example, your kitchen. You need to know the kitchen hood size or the type that you want. I just wanted to say that if you're watching, might as well like, might as well subscribe, might as well, Okay, bye.